Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of outdoor living space decor ideas. Whether you have a cozy balcony or a spacious portion or a lush garden, we have got creative tips and inspiration to help you transform your outdoor area into stunning oasis. So join us as we explore furniture selection, that is choosing the right pieces for comfort and style, color schemes, how to use colors to create mood and harmony. Third is lighting, innovative lighting solution for ambience and functionality, greenery, incorporating plants and flowers to breathe life into your space, and DIY project, simple and fun DIY decor projects to personalize your outdoor area, adapting your decor for different seasons and occasions. So friends, get ready to be inspired and turn your outdoor living space into a beautiful, inviting retreat. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more home decor ideas and tips. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.